So you bought a new battery, you're feeling frisky, savvy even, want to replace it yourself. You're our kind of person. Let's do this. If you need to figure out how to choose a battery, we also made a video for that. So just check it out here. There are a few things you will need. 1, a car battery. 2, a car. 3, some tools, because tools are cool. Now most batteries come with these, but if you don't get them with your battery, make sure to pick a few things up. Stuff like anti-corrosion washers and battery terminal grease. Now for tools that you will need. A wire brush, a wrench, some cool gloves, and rags. The dirtier the better. Now first things first, when you get your AJ, for all that is holy, go clean your car right now. Much better. Although it looks like it took off some paint. Now under the car hood. Now first thing to do is to find your battery. If you have trouble locating your battery, check your owner's manual or give it a Google. If you have a newer car that has a bunch of high-tech gadgets, good for you. And you should also get a memory saver. Your battery helps store a lot of information. Your memory saver provides your car with a certain amount of power, so that way when you disconnect it, it'll help keep that information locked in and tight. But since AJ's car is not a high-tech car, we're not going to worry about that memory saver. Now identify the positive and negative posts and cables. Now use your handy wrench to loosen the nuts and bolts on the negative side. It's very important to start with the negative terminal. Now do it again on the positive side. Next, remove the battery clamp holding it in place. Now that the battery is free, lift that sucker out. Now make sure the terminals at the end of the battery cables are clean. This is where your handy wire brush comes in. Now just give it a little scrub. Just scrub it a little bit. Now you're ready to put the new battery in. Just make sure the positive and the negative terminals line up properly. Secure the battery with the previously removed clamp. Place those anti-corrosion washers on there. Add some grease to the positive terminal first, then to the negative. Finally, in that same positive to negative order, attach the battery cables. Just wiggle that battery a little bit to make sure it's in place. You've successfully replaced your car battery, and now you're basically a certified mechanic. You're not a certified mechanic. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe. That helps us help you. Another way we like to help you is through our free Fixed app. We have a Wear Items section. You can put your battery in, forget about it, and we'll give you a notification when you need to replace it. Finally, make sure to check out the blog post below as well. We're always adding more valuable content and trying to help you any way we can. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy driving. Cheers.